Line chart is good for displaying trends over time. If there is text or dates or any numeric data in horizontal axis, it is better to use line charts.
Line chart. I want to see salary of each person. That's why I select name range. With help of Control from keyboard, select salary column. From Insert, select line chart. This chart shows a trend of salary over the names. We can easily detect whose salary is the lowest and whose is highest. Select chart title and remove it. If I select the chart and from Design, add chart element, lines, select drop lines, now the chart is talking itself. Easily we can track the line and see the related data. I want to insert increment to this chart. What should I do? Yes, right-click on chart, select data. From Legend Entries, add. Vertical data is increment range. I don't know now which is increment, which is salary. I need to add a legend. Select this plus icon, legend, and right one. Press Escape from keyboard to disappear this panel. Here, just series are written. Right-click on chart, select data. Select series 1 and edit. It is the salary. That's why in series name, type equal and select salary cell. OK, and do same for series 2. Now the names are shown here. Also, we can add labels to detect information much more easy. Select this blue line and press on plus icon and data labels. We can do the same procedure for the increment line. Let's change the label's direction. Select the salary labels. Just click once on one of them. Right panel is not shown. Double-click on a label. It appears. Because I want to change the all salary labels alignment, that's why I click somewhere out of selected element. Again, click once on one of the labels. From Size and Properties, in Alignment section, text direction can be this, 270 degree. Now select Increment Labels, and this time, I give Angel -5. As you see, these dash increment labels are shown in my chart. I can remove one by one. Select one and press on Delete from keyboard. Or in our list, just remove dashes and leave it blank. But pay attention when it is changed to blank cell, not only the label, but also the line disappears. We can add any information, change the colors or design of the chart. It all depends on us.